A positive mindset can take you a long way. Choose to be optimistic and practice gratitude each day. Strive to find balance between work, play and rest. Make time for activities that you enjoy and that brings peace. Nourish your body with healthy food and plenty of hydration. Exercise and practice self-care. Choose kindness and forgiveness. Don't let your anger and resentment control your actions. Listen to your inner voice and learn to trust your intuition. Choose to be the best version of yourself. Strive to improve each day. Appreciate the small joy and the beauty around you. Develop a healthy attitude to money and possessions. Remember that they are not the measure of success. Accept yourself with all your strengths and weaknesses. Learn to love and appreciate who you are. Reach out and make new friends or stay connected to old ones. Cherish the relationships in your life. Manage stress by slowing down and taking a deep breath. Choose words and actions wisely. Don't say anything that can hurt or belittle. Have faith that things will work out in the end, no matter how difficult life may be. Never stop dreaming and be open to life's surprises. Keep learning, reading and exploring new ideas and adventures. Life is a journey. If you want a woman to be intimately in love with you, put your hands on her waist when talking to her.